continue to look at our door holder fixing solutions. So this is the SMSP 200 um, door door holder mounting bracket. So we use these in conjunction with the BC244 door holder, which I've done separate videos on in the past. But this is a solution for if you want to come away from a wall slightly, or floor mount your door holder. So just want to do a sort of an overview of what's in the box. So this will give you an idea of the various mounting solutions. So I'll put one of these together now so you get a better idea of it. But this is to come out at directly from a wall to extend. So you might sometimes have it where the gap between a wall and a floor is too great, so you need a bracket to kind of bring it out. Or this is a ceiling mounted solution where it's dropped from the ceiling and come onto it, onto the door here. So you just need to be aware of your Newtonian physics with this, that the longer you go with these levers away from something else when you pull on it, you know, there's different forces at work here. But it's a good neat solution here if you're just needing to come away from a wall. So you get this is the 200mm or 20cm version of this, and then you decide how you actually want to fix this. So is it going to go as a wall bracket? So this unit would go onto the base of it here. So this would be if it's going to go sort of floor or ceiling mount. So these screws line up here. So let's you know, guys, we've a bit of time together here. I'll actually put it together for you. So the So that's it. If you were going straight onto a wall and then your holder goes onto this. So just to kind of give the idea of it here, that's the whole unit together. Yeah, it's good. Neat solution. This is the 200mm version, which is pretty you know, it's good. It's a nice neat unit. And there is a 400mm version which works in the exact same way, only it's 40cm, so a good distance out from the wall. Assembly is the same, so you know, I think I probably don't need to do it a second time to show the other one. But yeah, thanks very much.